we have addition of polynomials. In parentheses, our polynomials, they have 3 terms, so we have trinomials. First, we have to take down the parentheses. So, and because we have positive sign before parentheses, so we have to copy everything what we have in parentheses. So we have a minus b cubed minus c squared. Next we have plus 3c minus 4a squared plus 2b plus 5b cubed minus 8a plus 3c squared. So this is equal. Next we have to combine the like terms. So we start from the highest power. We have b, variable b, a, c. So we have the highest power is 3. b cube, and we have b, 5b cube. Next we have c squared and 3c squared. We have a squared, only 1. And what else? We have a and negative 8a. And we have 3c and 2b. They are different terms, so we have to just rewrite them. So let's start from the highest power. We have b cube and b cube, so you have to copy variable with the power, and we have to just add the coefficients before the variable. We have here indivisible 1, so we have negative 1 and positive 5. We keep the sign of the largest number. 5 is greater than 1, so it will be positive sign, and we have to just subtract the coefficients. Now 5 minus 1, we have to just subtract the numbers. 5 minus 1 is 4, so negative 1 plus 5 is positive 4, and we add b cubed. Next, c squared. We have negative c squared and positive 3c squared. We copy variable with the power. Next, we keep the sign, the coefficient which is greater. We have invisible 1 here, and 3. 3 is greater, 3 is positive, so we have positive sign. And we have to just subtract the numbers. Now 3 minus 1 is 2. Next, we have a squared, so we have to rewrite negative 4a squared. And now we start from the beginning. Now we have a and negative 8a, so we copy variable a, we keep the sign, the number which is greater. We have here negative 8, and here there is indivisible 1, so we have 1 and 8. 8 is greater, so we keep negative sign. And now we have to subtract 8 minus 1 is 7. And what else we have? We have 3c and we have 2b. So this is equal. We can rewrite, because we don't have to write at the beginning positive sign. We just write 4, and we have b cubed plus 2c squared minus 4a squared minus 7a plus 3c plus 2b. If you want, you can write in the alphabetic order. So this is my solution.